Okay, this is part 4. Okay, this is part 4. So let's be configuration. This is okay. Until this is okay. Core RTR2. Okay. Nah, enable Cisco configure terminal. Interface. Okay. 00.6 encapsulation.1q6 IP address. Okay. Nah, 7 VLAN 7 encapsulation.1q 7 IP address. This is 7 interface .NET 0. Nah, encaps.1q 8 IP address. Nah, this is 8. Okay. Nah, so make be the IP helper. Nah, okay. Before this I forget. I make be the ACP, and now I make be IP helper add. Okay, let's go. IP helper address. This is in nah this is IP helper add. IP helper address. Nah, this is okay. Make be IP helper address. Okay. Nah, interface was Ethernet 0. Okay. Nah, 7 VLAN 7 in interface in the VLAN 7 IP make be IP helper again. Okay. Nah, after that the last this is okay IP helper address. Okay, 1 titik. This is okay. Nah, after that exit. Okay. After that go to the DNS server. Nah, okay. This is DNS server. Okay. Nah, config. Okay. Nah, this is go to the fast Ethernet 0. This is nah, okay. This is nah, okay. This is static. Okay. Service DHCP. Sorry, service DHCP. Nah, okay. Nah, okay. This is make be wait. Okay. Nah, the configuration. This is Internet 0. Nah, this is okay. Make be this is nah VLAN 6 VLAN 6. Nah, this is okay default gateway. Nah, 1 okay. Nah, after that nah this is nah okay. This is 1/3. Okay, after that 192.168 change be the 6. Okay, after that 6 2. Okay, after that 255 0. After that okay. maximum this is okay. Nah add okay. Nah this is VLAN 6. Okay, this is VLAN 6. Default gateway. Okay, 1.1. DNS server 1.3. Start IP address 6.2. Subnet mask 255. Okay, max user. Okay, 254. Okay. Okay, this is. Nah, in the VLAN 7. Okay, nah you change just you change this is VLAN 7. After that, okay, 62. Okay, 7 2. Nah, okay, 255 okay, VLAN 7 1 3. Nah, this is okay. Okay, same add. Nah, this is VLAN 7. Okay, 1. This is okay, same. Same. Okay. Nah, after that make this VLAN 8. Okay, the last VLAN 8. After that VLAN this is 8. Okay, nah this is okay. Maximum number. Okay, same. Okay, nah this is nah okay, you can look this. Nah okay. Okay, after that test do DHCP. Okay, IP DHCP from this VLAN this is PC0. Okay. Oh, pirate. Pilot. Oh, sorry. Ini mistake. Oke. Go to the service. Oke. DHCP. Nah, this is okay. Astagfirullahaladzim. Sorry. I mistake. Nah. Oke. VLAN 6. Nah, default gateway. Wait. Nah, this is okay. 6 after that 62. Okay, 255 0 after that. Nah, this is okay. Nah, okay, you can see this is okay. What the result? Okay, subnet mask. Okay, user. Okay, nah you can look this is after that VLAN 7. Wait, VLAN 7. Okay, after that 7 2. After that this is okay. Add again VLAN 7. Nah, you can see this is okay. Nah, same to the VLAN 8. Okay, VLAN 8. Nah, VLAN 8. Nah, 8. Okay, 8 2. Okay, add. Nah, the result this is okay. Nah, okay, this is okay. The result this is, you can look. Nah, sorry. Yes, you can. This is configuration from DHCP server. Okay. Wait. Nah, successful. Okay. Nah, this is successful. Okay. After that, PC, this is PC1. Okay, successful again. After that PC2. Nah, successful again. Oke. Nah, oke. Nah, PC3, oke, successful again. PC4, successful again. PC5, oke. Nah, successful again. 5. After that PC6, oke. Nah, oke, successful again. Nah, this is oke. PC7, oke. Nah, this is successful again. PC7. After that this is PC8, oke. Check the result. Oke, successful again. Nah, after that PC9, oke. Nah, this is successful again, oke. Nah, oke. After that this is VLAN 10. Nah, oke. Nah, oke. This is after that PC11. Nah, successful again. PC14, oke. Nah, this is oke, successful again. PC this is 15, oke. DHCP, oke, successful again. Nah, PC12, oke. Nah, DHCP, oke. Nah, PC12, PC13, desktop, oke. DHCP. Nah, successful again. Okay, let's check test ping. Yes, test ping from the DHCP server to the PC 13. Okay, mass success. Nah, successful. Okay, after that, wait. Nah, from this DNS server, this is successful again. Nah, this is successful. Okay. From this VLAN 1 to PC6, successful again. After that PC DNS sorry. After that this is from PC6 to the PC7. Nah, successful. Okay. Nah, this is finally from this is area. Okay. After that the part 9, the part 9, this is configure RSTP in SW4, SW5 and SW6. Let's configuration. Okay, go to the switch 5. Okay, this is switch 5. Nah, okay, enable Cisco configure terminal. Wait. Spanning 3 mode rapid, spending 3 mode rapid PVST. Nah, after that copy, oke. Copy. Nah, after that go to the SW6. SW6 this is. Nah, oke. CLI. Oke. Nah, enable Cisco configure terminal. Nah, paste. Nah, spending 3 mode rapid PVST. Nah, oke. Go to the switch 7. Nah, switch 7 this is. Oke. CLI. Nah, enable Cisco configure terminal. Nah, this is make wait configure terminal spending. Okay, spending 3 mode rapid PVST. Okay. Nah, this is okay. Spending 3 in the switch 5 VLAN 6 root primary. Nah, this is for that. Okay, after that copy. Nah, okay, after that this is okay, in SW6. Okay, paste 7. Nah, okay, and the SW7 again. Okay. Nah, this is same. Paste spending 3 mode. Okay, 8 root primary. Nah, this is okay. Nah, this is okay. After that from this is okay. Nah, this is go to the configure router on stick. Okay, configure router on stick core RTR2. Nah, configure router on stick. Nah, this is okay. So look after this. Oh, configure VLAN and trunking in SW8 core SW1 and core RTR4. Sorry. Nah, okay. After that go to the SW8. Nah, SW8 when SW8. Nah, this is okay. Enable Cisco configure terminal. Okay, this is okay. Make be VLAN 9. Okay. VLAN 9 name VLAN 9 VLAN 10 name VLAN 10. Okay. After that exit. Okay, after that do show CDP neighbor. Nah, this is configure, this is okay. After that, interface range pas Ethernet 0/2 /1 until 2. Nah, switch port mode terang. Nah, after that switch port tanggal web VLAN 9 10. Oke. Switch port terang allowed VLAN 9 10. Oke. Nah, sis. Oke. After that exit. Nah, oke. Oke, after that, let's be configuration from this is SW8. Nah, interface range pas Ethernet 0/3 until 5. 0/3 until 5. Nah, this is switch port mode access. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 9. Oke. Switch port access VLAN 9. Nah, this is spanning port face. Nah, oke, this is okay. For that interface range pas Ethernet 6 6 until 6 until 8. Interface range pas Ethernet 0/6 until 8. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 10. After that, spanning port face. Nah, oke. After that, exit. Oke, checking do show IP interface terang. Do show interface terang. Nah, this is okay. Interface range pasarnya 0/1 until 2. This is nah, switch port mode terang. Switch port terang allowed VLAN 9 10. Nah, okay, this is after that go to the core RTR1. Okay. Core RTR4, sorry. Nah, this is core RTR4. Okay, nah, this is okay. Nah, okay, enable Cisco configure terminal. Wait. Interface Ethernet 0/1 no shutdown. Nah, oke, interface pas Ethernet 0/1.9. Oke, encapsulation .1Q 9 IP address. Nah, 9 1 255 0. Oke, this is 10 encapsulation .1Q10 IP address is oke. Nah, after that go to the core SW1. Oke. Nah, oke, let's be configuration. Nah, enable Cisco configure terminal. Oke. VLAN 9 name VLAN 9 VLAN 10 VLAN 10 name VLAN 10. Nah, this is okay. After that, interface Facetnet 0/2 switch port trunk encapsulation .1q switch port mode trunk. After that, wait. Okay, after that, switch port trunk allowed VLAN 9 and 10. Okay, after that, make do in SPI interface VLAN 9 IP address. After that, interface VLAN 10. Nah, after that, this is 10. Okay. Oh, sorry. Any nah, sorry. Nah, interface VLAN 9. Okay. IP address this is 92. Okay. Interface VLAN 10. IP address this is 10. Okay. Nah, okay, this is okay, interface Facetnet 0/0 shutdown. Okay. Nah, okay, sorry, this is configuration from this. Okay. Nah, interface 0/0 no shutdown. Okay. Nah, after that, testing from this to this is successful. Nah, from Core SW1 to Core TF4. Nah, this is my point. Okay. Nah, okay, this is my point. Nah, this is my point. Okay. Nah, this is okay. Wait. Okay, let's step again. Nah, this is okay. Nah, okay, part 11. Okay. Now this is configure VLAN and trunking in SW8. Okay, NTP server, sorry. Nah, from NTP server this is. Nah, NTP server, email server, web server 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Nah, let's be configuration. Nah, this is area. Okay. Okay, let's be configuration. NTP server, okay. 192.168.93. Okay. Nah, tablet mask, okay. Cloud gateway. Okay. DNS server. This is. Wait. Oh, so sorry. Okay. Nah, this is. Nah, okay, this is. Nah, After that, email server, this is okay, email server. Nah, this is okay. Okay. This is 1 3. Okay, server. Okay, web server 1. Okay, web server 1. Okay, config. Okay, nah this is 9+1. Okay, 9 5. Okay, 9 5. Nah, after that this is okay. After that, nah okay, gateway be okay 91. Nah, after that 192.168 1 3. This is okay. After that, web server pt2. Okay, this is one nine two one six eight 10 3 10 3. Okay, 192.168 10 1. After that, DNS server 192.168 1 3. Okay, this is 10 10 3 10 1. Okay, nah server web server 3 desktop. Okay, nah this is 192.168 10 4. After that, okay, nah 192.168 10 1. After that 192.168 1 3. Nah, this is web server 4. Okay, desktop. Nah, this is static 192.168 10 5 255.250. Nah, 192.168 10 1. Okay, nah this is 192.168 1 3. Okay, nah this is complete. Okay, we checking from NTP server IP configuration. Okay, nah email server. Okay, nah this is email server. Okay, after that web server 1. Okay, desktop, this is okay, was any. After that web server 2 desktop. Nah, this is web server 3. Nah, okay, this is web server 4 that is okay, successful. Nah, okay, after that let's check ping. Okay, from I need from this is to wait, this is successful. Okay, you can look, this is from operator 4. Okay, test ping from this to this is NTP server, successful. SW1 to email server, successful again. Okay, SW1 to web server 1, successful again. Core SW1 to web server 2, successful again. Core SW1 to web server 3. Oke, successful again. Nah, Core SW1 to web server 4. Nah, successful again. And Core ATR4 to this is successful. From Core ATR4 to email server, successful. Core ATR4 again. Okay, from this to web server. Nah, okay, successful. Core ATR4 again to web server 2, successful. Core RTR4 to web server 3. Nah, successful again. Core RTR4 to web server 4. Okay, successful again. Okay. Okay, wait. Okay, after that go to the Core SW2. Nah, Core SW2, okay. This is okay. Wait. Nah, enable Cisco configure terminal. Wait. Okay. Okay, VTP mode share, VTP mode server. Terdet VTP domain aguna course, VTP password 123. Nah, okay, after that go this is VLAN 11. Okay, VLAN 11. After that name VLAN 11, VLAN 12, name VLAN 12, VLAN 30, name VLAN 30. Nah, this is after that do sh VLAN do sh VLAN. Nah, this is okay. Interface range fast Ethernet 0/4 until 6. Nah, switch port terang encapsulation.1q, switch port mode terang. Okay. Nah, this is okay. After that make the switch port terang allowed VLAN 11, 12, 30. Nah, this is okay. After that exit. Nah, okay. Interface VLAN, okay. IP routing, interface VLAN 11, 11, sorry, IP address 192.168. This is okay. 255.255.255.0. Interface VLAN routing, interface VLAN routing, interface VLAN 12. Okay. IP address. Nah, this is okay. This is nah. After that IP routing again, IP routing, interface VLAN 30. Okay, IP address. Okay. Nah, after that do show IP interface brief. Nah, this is okay. Okay, after that make BIP DHCP pool VLAN. This is network. Nah, this is 0 255 255 0. Default router 192 168 192.168 11 1. DNS server 192.168 13. Okay, DHCP pool VLAN 12 network this is 12, this is, nah after that default router make be this is 12 one. Okay, after that DNS server same, tapi DHCP pool VLAN 13 network, this is 13 default router 13.1. After that DNS server, this is okay. After that IP DHCP excluded, yes, excluded address. Nah, this is make B IP DHCP excluded, B IP gateway. Okay, IP gateway in the VLAN. Nah, at the VLAN. Okay, this is VLAN. Okay, 12. Okay, this is VLAN 13. Okay, nah, this is. Okay, this is. Okay, this is configuration from Core SW2. Okay, for that. Nah, okay, after that go to the SW9. This is. Nah, okay, go to the SW10. Okay, because this is after this. Okay, so I choose this is. Nah, enable Cisco configure terminal. Okay, nah sis. Okay, MACD interface fastnet 0/1, switch port mode terang, switch port terang lowet VLAN 11 12 13. Nah, this is. Okay, third interface range fast Ethernet 0/2 until 3, switch port mode access, VLAN 100. Oh, doesn't make, not make this is. Okay, sorry, VLAN this is. Okay, name VLAN 111. Okay, 12 name VLAN 12, VLAN 30 name VLAN 30. Nah, this is. Okay, in the switch 10. After that switch 9. Okay, this is. Okay, enable Cisco configure terminal, VLAN 11, name VLAN 11, VLAN 12 name VLAN 12, VLAN 30 name VLAN 30. Nah, this is SW9. Okay, so go to the SW8. Nah, this is SW8. Okay, nah SW okay, SW this is enable Cisco configure terminal. Nah, this is VLAN 11 name VLAN 11, VLAN 12 name VLAN 12, VLAN 30 name VLAN 30. Nah, this is. Okay, after that make to the this is VTP. Okay, SW10 VTP mode client. Okay, VTP domain Aguna course. Okay, VTP password 123. Nah, this is. Okay, this is. Okay, after that interface range fast Ethernet. Okay, interface range fast Ethernet 0. Interface range fast Ethernet, interface range fast Ethernet 0/2 until 3, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN. Nah, this is. Okay, Okay, interface range facility 0/4 until 5. Switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 12. Nah, this is okay. After that, interface range span port. Wait. Switch port mode access. Nah, span port again. Nah, okay. Interface range was this is okay. Span port okay. Interface range was 0/6 until 7. Switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 13. Spanning port phase. Okay, after that go to this is okay. Nah, this is core 9 SW9. Okay, wait. Okay, after that make to interface facility 0/1. Switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk allowed VLAN 11 12 13. Nah, this is after that exit. Okay, after that make to the VTP mo client, VTP domain aguna course, VTP password 123. Nah, this is okay. After that interface range facility 0/2 until 3. Okay, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 11 spanning port phase. Okay, now this is okay. Okay, after that interface range facility 0/4 until 5. Switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 11. Nah, this is span port. Okay, now this is okay. After that interface range facility 6 until 7. Switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 13. Spanning port phase. Okay, now this is spanning port phase. Okay, switch port mode access, switch port access 13. Spanning port phase. Nah, after that exit. Okay, after that switch 11. Okay, switch 11. Nah, switch 11. Switch 11, this is okay. Switch 11. Nah, interface range. Wait. Okay, interface facility 0/1. Switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk allowed VLAN 11 12 13. Okay, this is check for SW2. Okay, now this is okay. Go to the SW11. Nah, VTP mode client, sys VTP domain aguna course, VTP password 123. Nah, this is This is interface range was Ethernet 0/2 until 3, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 12, spending port phase. Nah, become this is interface range was Ethernet 0/4 until 5, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 13. Nah, coba spending port phase. Nah, this is Nah, so that exit. Let's check IP DHCP, IP otomatis from PC. This is successful. This is PC 18. Nah, after that PC this is PC this is nah, desktop look the DHCP PC 25 successful. Successful. This is successful. Nah, after that PC this is nah, desktop. Nah, successful. PC 27. Nah, look this successful again. PC 27. After that PC this is look successful again. PC 19. Desktop IP configuration 17. Successful again. PC 13. Nah, PC 13 desktop configuration. We look the result. This is Nah, DHCP successful again. Nah, this is successful. PC 31. Desktop this is IP configuration. Nah, DHCP successful again. Nah, PC 32. Desktop. Nah, this DHCP successful again. PC 13.3 desktop. Successful again. Nah, this is successful again. PC 13.3. Go to the PC. This is nah, desktop configuration DHCP. Nah, successful again. PC 13.5. Oke, DHCP. Oke, successful again. PC this is, nah, 13.8. Oke, successful again. This is PC, this is okay. Nah, IP DHCP. Okay, successful again. PC 36. Okay. Nah, okay, successful again. PC 13.7. Okay, desktop. Nah, what the result? DHCP successful again. Okay. Nah, so let's test ping from this to this is. Okay, successful. From this is to this is. Oh, okay, sorry. Nah, from this to this is successful. From this is to this is successful. Okay, nah, this is for me. Okay.